Number 7. Question number 7. I will put this question bank in your WhatsApp. In your WhatsApp. Page number 85. Page number 85. Now, you are supposed to calculate what is the value of share. Value of share under net asset method and yield method and fair value of share. From the following balance sheet of Bharat Limited as on 31st/3/2012, paid up capital, shares of 10 each, balance sheet 4 lakh, reserves, profit and loss, 5% debenture, current liabilities, fixed asset, current asset, goodwill. On this date, the fixed assets were independently valued at rupees 3,50,000. Goodwill is 50,000. Goodwill is here. Goodwill should be taken. You have calculated value of shares. The net profit over the last 3 years is given here in this problem and 20% placed to reserve. Fair commercial rate of return is 10%. Calculate the value of share under net asset method and yield method and fair value of shares. Now, first method. Calculation of value of share under net asset method. Under net asset method. First, statement showing calculation of net asset. Net asset. That means asset minus liabilities. The first one is fixed assets. In the balance sheet it is given 5 lakh. But in the adjustment he says, which is independently valued, the fixed asset valued at 2 lakh, valued at 3,50,000. 3,50,000. Thereafter, current assets. Nothing is mentioned in the problem. Nothing is mentioned in the problem. As it is, we are supposed to write 2 lakh. Current assets. 2 lakh. Goodwill. But in this particular problem, clearly mentioned. Independent value or valued land and building at rupees 3,50,000 and goodwill is valued at 50,000. If it is given, that should be taken. Otherwise, what is given in the balance sheet should be taken. So, it should be 50,000. Total should be 5 lakhs. Less liabilities. Now, what are the liabilities should be taken? I will read out now. Less liabilities. Equity shares should not take. Is the owner's liability. Is owner's liabilities. Profit and loss is owner's liabilities. Debenture is not a owner. Is not a owner. It's outside. I should take debenture. Debentures is given in this problem as 1 lakh. 1 lakh. One more is given. Current liabilities. Current liability has 1,30,000. Current liability has 1,30,000. Total is not 5 lakh, is 6 lakhs. Now, the liabilities we know in this problem only 2 liabilities, debenture and current liabilities. Owner's liabilities cannot be taken. Owner liability illa. Owner is ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಯಾವುದು? Profit and loss, reserve, general reserve, profit and loss ಇದು ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು. Now, should be 2,30,000. Deduct that 3,70,000 less preference share capital. But in this particular problem also the preference share capital which is not been given. So no need to write that is nil. So 3,70,000 is called as net asset. Value of share equal to net asset divided by number of equity shares. So net asset is 3,70,000 divided by number of equity shares. In this particular problem I have mentioned, see here in the balance sheet which is mentioned, paid up capital shares of 10 each, 4 lakh. 10 each, 4 lakh. Number of shares ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ? 4 lakh divided by 10. That is 40,000. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 40,000 shares of 10 each 4 lakh ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 each ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get what is the number of equity share. That is 40,000. So value of share is equal to how much? 9.25. It's the value of share under net asset method. Next is the first method is over. Second method now, value of share under yield method. Value of share under yield method. Calculation of value of share under yield method. Yield means profit method. Yield means profit method. All the profit should be taken into consideration. Statement showing calculation of profit available to equity shareholders. Equity shareholders. Now, first you are supposed to write the profit. The profit will be 2010. 2010, 51,600. I will write in the column, thereafter I will write out the column. 2011, 52,000. 2012 is given 51,650, but in this particular column there is no bad debts. There is no bad debts. Directly should be taken 51,650. Totally, how much you get? 1,55,000 to 50. This should be divided by 3. Average you are supposed to calculate. 51,750. Now, from this, first you are supposed to transfer less, transfer to reserve fund. Transfer to reserve fund. Here in this particular problem is given 20% place to reserve out of 51,750 into 20 by 100. 10,350. 41,400. Now, less preference dividend. Preference dividend. In this particular problem, there is no preference shares, so is not there, is nil. So total should be profit available 41,400. Next step here is calculation of expected profit. Calculation of expected profit. Now, what the expected what the formula here is profit available divided by normal rate of return into 100. Normal rate of return into 100. So profit available 41,400 divided by normal rate of return is, this particular problem is given as 10. So into 100 should be 4,14,000. Last step here is yield value of share. Yield value of share is equal to expected profit divided by number of equity shares. Expected profit here we found 41,400 divided by 4,14,000 divided by number of equity share. In this particular problem is shares of 10 each, 4 lakh, that is 40,000. What is the value of share? 10.35. The last step here is calculation of fair value of share. Calculation of fair value of shares. Fair value of share equal to value of share under net asset method plus value of share under yield method divided by 2. Value of share under net asset method plus value of share under yield method divided by 2. What is the net asset we found? Value of share 9.25 plus 10.35 divided by 2. Value of share is 9 point. Value of share, fair value of share. Fair value of share. Pause one. So I worked out now till now 2 problems. You are supposed to work in your home. Question number 6. Question number 6. 6. Page number 64, question number 6. As similar to this, only the figures are changed. Rest of everything is same. Rest of everything is same. Balance sheet 4 lakh. Equity share, general reserve 1 lakh 90, profit and loss 1 lakh 20, 14% debenture. There is no as such adjustment. Almost everything is similar. Everything is similar. Here normal rate of return is given 18%. 18%. It won't make any difference. You're supposed to do that. You're supposed to do that in the home. It's a homework for you people.